Students, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back to your general knowledge class. Today we will discuss some chapters or I should say some issues regarding environment. Environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by individual organizations and governments. Its objectives are to conserve natural resources and the existing natural environment and, where possible, to repair damage and reverse trends. So, students, are you aware about today's environmental issues and the campaigners who have taken up critical causes? So, let's study about them in this chapter. Your first question is which primary federal agency works to protect the environment? The answer of that is Environmental Protection Agency. Now, who launched campaign named Chipko Andolan to save the woods? The name of that person is Sundar Lal Bahuguna. Now we all know about the greenhouse effect. We have discussed this in a previous video. So which gas is primarily responsible for causing the greenhouse effect? Yes, it is carbon dioxide gas. Now in which state of India is Silent Valley National Park situated? The Silent Valley National Park situated in the beautiful state Kerala. Now who founded the Beauty Without Cruelty Society? It was founded by the lady Muriel Dowding. The world has enough for everyone need, but not enough for everyone's greed. Who said these words? These words were said by Mahatma Gandhi. Now, what is the full form of CNG? We all have heard this many times, right? Many of us drive vehicles having CNG in it. The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Now, the next question is what are the two major efforts to save the ozone layer? The two major efforts to save the ozone layer were Montreal Protocol and Vienna Convention. And we all know about ozone layer, isn't it? Now, which Kenyan environmentalist won the Nobel Prize in 2004? She is Wangari Maathai. Now, what is the full form of UNCED? The full form of UNCED is United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. With what is the Kyoto Protocol concerned? The Kyoto Protocol concerned with manage and to reduce carbon dioxide emission. Now, which factor is primarily responsible for the extinction of animal species? The answer is loss of habitat. Now, let's talk about the other chapter, that is harmony with the nature. White revolution in India. First of all, what do you mean by white revolution? Dr. Verghese Kurian is the man behind the success of Amul. He is called the father of the white revolution in India. He is also known as the milkman of India. Kurian set up the Anand model of creative dairy development, engineered the white revolution in India, and made India the largest milk producer in the world. Now let's talk about the green revolution. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan from India led the Green Revolution as the project director, and Dr. Norman Borlaug from Mexico supported the Green Revolution through the introduction of high yielding variety of wheat seeds. Today, India is the second largest wheat producing country. From a grain deficient nation to food security for all, this credit goes to Green Revolution. Now let's talk about Blue Revolution. What is Blue Revolution? Blue Revolution brought a rapid increase in fish production in small ponds and water bodies. India's fishery sector, which 50 years ago produced only 6 lakh tons of fish, today it produces 5 million tons. The, Now let's talk about Yellow Revolution. The oilseeds production scenario in India has witnessed a dramatic turn. The country achieved a status of self sufficient and net exporter during the early 90s, rising from the net importer state with a mere annual production of nearly 11 million tons. Now, Golden Revolution. With this revolution, India has emerged as the second largest producer of fresh fruits and vegetables in the world. The Golden Revolution was the period between 1991 to 2003. So what we have discussed about the Golden Revolution, Blue Revolution, Yellow Revolution, Green Revolution and White Revolution. The Golden Revolution was about the produce of fresh fruits and vegetables in the world. If we talk about Blue Revolution, it is about the fish production. White Revolution was about the production of milk. Yellow Revolution was about the adoption of new variety of oil seeds and cultivation techniques, and Green Revolution was about the introduction of high yielding variety of seeds. Now let's discuss nature shock. A violent tropical storm in which strong wind moves in a circle. You can have a look in this picture. This is cyclone. Earthquake. Earthquake is a quaking or shaking of the earth. Drought. A long period of time when there is a little or no rain. Famine. Famine is a lack of food during a long period of time in a particular region. Flood. A large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. Landslide. Landslide is a mass of earth, rock, etc. that falls during the slope of mountain or a cliff. Lightning. A flash of light in the sky caused by the electricity being discharged from thunderstorms. Tsunami. A very swiftly traveling tidal wave that attains a great height caused by an undersea earthquake or similar disturbance. So students, I hope you have understood all the three chapters. So be safe, be at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.